squishy with me. Okay, so it's literally just a ball, but it has a ton of air. And I have a pen, and I'm pretty sure this is like slime, so I don't think it's gonna leak. This is the moment of truth. Yep, did exactly what I thought it would. Now we just have to pop the rest of this air. When you're popping it, you just want to be really careful to not like make too big of a hole. So you want to get like a smallish needle, and then you'll put it through it, and then you'll kind of help and squeeze out the air. And as you're doing that, you're just gonna poke it more and more. You guys can hear that?
This is so fun to do, and it works. Because I'm pretty sure I got it pretty much all done, and I really like how stretchy this is. Like, I don't know if you can see this. It's really stretchy though, and I really love how squishy it is too.
But thank you so much for watching. That's it. Bye. Mwah.